This is a midterm review of our performance, and if you know very well, these people were appointed by me, and I've decided, in the interest of every other person, to reject the cabinet, to absorb them. Some may be reappointed, some will be tweeted to other portfolios. New people, fresh energy, fresh blood will be brought into the system.
Has this got anything to do with your performance so far? Are you
some have
with their performance?
No, some we have done. They have their KPIs. Some have exceeded their KPIs. Some have not. And some have also. We have found out that they have other strengths in other fields. And this government is too large. It's large, and we can deploy people to different portfolios. So being a commissioner, an advisor, or director general doesn't really matter. We can treat it. Even a permanent secretary, can turn out to be a commissioner, and commissioner can be a permanent secretary. Just to treat it, to put people in the right track, so that what we have set out for New Niger will achieve. So far, so all of them, it's a validation we had, and we are all grateful for their contribution. What we have done cannot be allocated to me; it's a collective responsibility. But as a whole, yes. But individually, some have weaknesses.
Can you tell us some of the ministries you think they could have done better? You think they could have performed better?
Don't worry, you'll get it when I do it.